Hello guys, this is Syed and I am so excited to announce that we are going to give the new Apple Watch. The new Apple Watch Series 4. Yes guys, this is Apple Watch Series 4 that Apple just announced and we got this here for you guys. So I need to start the contest that one of you guys can win this beautiful Apple iWatch Series 4. To unbox this product, to share with you that how it looks inside. Watch the whole video so you can see how it looks inside and how beautiful this thing is. So please remember the iPhone X contest is still in process and you guys can still participate in that. iPhone X winner will be announced in our next video and this Apple Watch winner will be announced on October 1st, 2018. So this is going to be the best giveaway of 2018. We're also working on to get the new iPhone XS, so we're going to give the iPhone XS for you people to give away. So you'll be getting that, so make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you have not done yet, and also comment below. Follow us on Instagram for all upcoming giveaways. Instagram link is in description. So again, I repeat the steps to win this Apple Watch Series 4. Step 1, like this video. Step 2, subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed yet. Step 3, comment below. Good luck and have a great day guys.